Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the 2025 new upgrade wall mount compatible with the Samsung Freestyle Projector, including the Freestyle 2. If you've been looking for a sleek and reliable solution to mount your projector on a wall or ceiling, this might just be what you need. Right off the bat, let's talk about design. This wall mount has been specifically engineered for the Samsung Freestyle Projector and its second-generation model. Unlike some generic mounts, this one perfectly fits the projector's original base, providing a more secure and stable installation. The enlarged shelf design not only ensures stability but also increases the load-bearing capacity. It's crafted from high-strength stainless steel, which means it's both durable and rust-resistant thanks to its powder-coated surface. The mount can support up to 50 kilograms or 110 pounds, so it's built to last. One of the standout features is its adjustable angle. Whether you want to mount it on a wall, ceiling, or any other location, the bracket allows you to tweak the projector's angle for optimal viewing. This flexibility ensures you can get the perfect projection no matter the room setup. The wall mount includes high-quality screws for installation, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. It's also worth noting the package itself is compact and straightforward, containing just the wall mount. The precision in manufacturing and high-quality steel plate makes installation a precise and clean process. Anti-slip pads are included, ensuring the projector stays firmly in place once mounted. However, the manufacturer does caution against using 3M adhesive or other sticky options, as they may peel over time depending on the wall surface, potentially causing damage to your projector. Compatibility is straightforward. The mount works with the first-generation Samsung Freestyle Projector Sulfur Monophosphide LSP3BLA and the second generation. So whether you have the original or a newer version, this mount has you covered. Overall, the Freejia wall mount provides a high-quality, sturdy solution for Samsung Freestyle Projector owners. It combines durability, stability, and flexibility, all while maintaining a clean aesthetic with its white powder-coated finish. If you're looking to elevate your home theater setup or simply want a safer, more versatile way to display your projector, this mount is a solid choice. That's it for today's product critique. If you're interested in enhancing your projector setup, this wall mount is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed reviews on the latest tech accessories.